Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a tutorial clipping kabelan. So enjoy this video. The first step is to prepare the RG45, wire stripper, crimping pliers, cutting pliers, and UTP or LAN cable. The second step is to cut the cable protector on the outer part of the cable using wire stripper. Next, arrange the cable according to the color rules: white orange, orange with green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. Then insert the cut cable into the RG45 connector and press using a crimping pliers. Do the same thing on the other end. The final step is testing using LAN tester. If all the lights turn on, then the cable is ready to use.